Ribbit.
Ribbit?
Ribbit.
Shouldn't you say vroom, Princess Peach? Because we're here for another How to Draw Mario Character episode. Vroom. We're drawing Bomber Bill today, or Banzai Bill. It's the bullet with the shark face in it.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's one of the other enemies, but this one is the big bullet, not the small little bullet bill. It's the big, huge one. All right, you ready for this? For this one, we just need 3 colors: black, white, red.
Yeah.
Yeah, so get your drawing supplies and paper, and let's get started. You're right, Mia. Let's turn our papers around for Bomber Bill. Okay, ready? We're going to draw a huge C curve on our page, okay? I'm not gonna draw too big because I don't want to color so much black, okay? But we'll see. Okay, so let's draw a huge C curve.
Okay, I did not mean to draw mine that big, but I guess that works.
Yeah, it does. Okay, and then at the end of that C curve where it's a straighter line, we're going to connect it a little bit. I'm gonna make sure mine's a little long. And then connect it down with a slight curve line. Yeah, good job. Okay, and on the front part of that curve, we're going to draw a line, a diagonal line for Banzai Bill's eyebrow, or angry eye, I should say. And then we'll draw a curved line connecting out and back around to that angry eyebrow. Yeah, and then we're actually gonna draw one more of those connecting back to the corner of the eye for the white part. So that's gonna be the white part. This first line is the red part. And then we'll draw his pupils. Another small C curve or a smiley curve right in the front side. And then we're gonna color that in, except for another small C curve in the middle for the shine. So let's color that in. Yeah, good job. Okay, now for his big mouth. So we'll draw a curved smiley and then curve it back around like a C curve and then all the way back. Yeah, good job. And now for his shark teeth. We're gonna draw some zigzag lines. You ready for that? Okay, so start from the very corner of the mouth where it connects to his face, or his bullet front, I guess. And we'll draw some zigzag lines. And I'm gonna fit 3 teeth in here. So 1, 2, 3. Good. And then we'll draw another set of zigzag lines on the bottom, fitting into those other teeth that we drew. Yeah, good job. And then we'll draw the rest of his body. I'm gonna extend it a little bit with a couple of lines out, a little bit inwards from his body, and then connect that with another curved line. And then we'll draw another tail part with a little line out and horizontal or sideways. So it's gonna be a little bit bump out. And then curve down and then connect that to the front where we just left off. Woo! That's Banzai Bill!
Yeah.
Or Bomber Bill. I think he's known by both.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Deadly.
Deadly. Let's get coloring and decorating.
Deadly.
Whoa! That's like a skull. You're gonna color it all in, huh?
It's fun because if you make a mistake on the body, you can just color it.
Yeah. Because we're just gonna color in black.
Doesn't matter at all. And you can draw whatever you want on it.
We might need to get new Sharpies after this.
Definitely. I still have the head to color.
Art Along friends, check out our Mario characters series.
Wait, you're done?
Yeah, pretty much.
I'm not.
Your time.
I'm not even close to finished.
Who's Bill Bob?
Him.
He's a bomber Bill.
So?
Did you name him Bill Bob?
No, his name is Bill Bob.
Art Along friends, that was hard. We are done, finally. That was Bomber Bill.
Bill Bob.
Come check out our other videos on our channel and we'll see you next time.
Bye. Like and subscribe to Art Along for more videos.